You ready to do the Jack in the Box? Watch it, Caleb. Do you like the Jack in the Box? Yeah. Do it again? Here. Let's put him back in there. Put Jack back in there. You want the camera, don't you? Why don't you look at this chair? Maybe I can get a video of you looking at the chair. Can you sit in it?
You're off the chair.
Go over there. Go see what that chair is doing.
Yeah. Tata. The green light is on. The froggy goes.
Wow. That's fun. What are you doing? You're okay. You're okay. You're all right. Here, why don't you look at the froggy and the ducky over here on the chair? Look.
The puppy said.
That's the puppy. There's a puppy. What else is on there?
The kitty said.
Oh, you didn't like the kitty? Okay, let's do another one. See if you like the next one.
The ducky goes.
There's a ducky. Okay. Okay. You say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.